Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on eBay. To change your profile picture on eBay, first of all, open up the eBay application and log into your account. From the home page, tap on the My eBay button at the bottom. Now click on your profile picture at the top left, which will then open up this profile section. Tap on Edit Profile and click the pencil icon right above your current profile avatar or picture. Now you can go ahead and take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take Photo and clicking a picture that you'd like to upload. If you want to choose an existing photo from your device's camera roll, click on Choose Existing Photo. Allow necessary permission for your photo gallery and then select a picture from your device's camera roll. After you make the selection, click on Upload. Move the photo around the circle and choose the area that you'd like to include in your profile picture. Finally, click on Save at the top right. And you have now uploaded your profile picture. Click on the Save button at the bottom to save the change, and that's how you easily change your profile picture on eBay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.